My ATM business isn't the end goal. It's a wealth building engine that powers all other investments. While most business owners focus on solely growing one income stream, I built a system where my ATMs automatically fund my stock portfolio, real estate acquisitions, and even my daughter's education fund. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly the wealth building systems I developed that uses ATM cash flow as the foundation. Whether you have one ATM or considering starting this strategic approach to wealth creation could completely transform how you think about building a long-term financial independence. This is how I used the ATM flow to fund other investments. So I started leasing the building where we have our office. Then I had an opportunity to buy the building, so I leveraged my ATM business to buy the building. This ended up having me spend the same money I was spending for rent, except now we were also paying the mortgage. That meant ownership is a hard asset. Then we were able to take the building and leverage the building and buy a fix and flip property. Then we turned that around and invested in some rental properties. Don't think I'm a big time investor, but these properties do bring in hundreds of dollars every month of positive cash flow, increasing property value every single year. I call this the cash flow multiplication framework. The first step is you need to start with positive cash flow. How do you guarantee positive cash flow? The best way I know how to do that is we get a location agreement, SLA, or a contract on a location. It's hard to build a positive cash flow if you don't know if you're going to lose or gain an account every single month. But by getting contracts signed, it gave me basically a foundation of our ATM business. Once I saw the positive cash flow running in and I could count on that money every single month, then I was able to leverage that to get more locations. And then once we had more positive cash flow, we were able to take that positive cash flow and set it aside. Now, what I did is I used my mobile ATM business to start leveraging. So every year for mobile events, we made anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000 every single year of positive cash flow. I used that money to buy and leverage it into other wealth building activities such as real estate. You could even do stocks or bonds or crypto. But for us, what we did is we did it for real estate, and it gave us the opportunity, as we stated before, we bought our existing building, then we leveraged that building to buy existing properties. It does take a bit to build up your mobile business if that's the way you want to go, but you could also just take your existing route. So you can just take a percentage of your existing route, let's say as little as 20% of your route, and then put it aside to invest in other wealth building activities, as we stated, real estate, crypto, or the stock market. The ATM business can not only make you money, but it also can help you create wealth. Whether it is a real estate or stock business or crypto, it might be the best thing you ever happen to you is the ATM business. Your ATM business isn't about making monthly income. It could be about building the foundation that builds generational wealth for your family. The question is whether you use it that way. So if you're thinking about building your own profitable ATM business, I want to invite you to our free checklist entitled ATM Business Passive Income Checklist, the 5 things you need to know to start your profitable ATM business so you can have a clear roadmap towards ATM business success. You can earn between $250 and $1,500 passive income every single month. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Please check out the ATM Mastermind group, and we'll see you at the next ATM Mastermind video.